Setting up your app for pre-order is your opportunity to go live with an audience already waiting. They reserve their copy, we process payment a few days before launch, and the app auto downloads at release. Your revenue follows shortly after. You can activate a pre-order up to 90 days before launch. You don't need a build to get started, just a price, description, and marketing assets, like screenshots. As you prepare, focus your energy where it matters most. Once a pre-order is live, the price is locked, so be confident before you commit. When it comes to assets like screenshots, don't let perfection slow you down. Your assets should be representative of your gameplay, but they don't have to be perfect yet. To ensure you're ready to fulfill orders, we require you to upload a launch-ready binary 2 weeks before release. Your development timeline should support that milestone, because if the binary isn't uploaded within 2 days of launch, we'll have to cancel the pre-order. If the build isn't ready, we recommend you push your launch date. Make sure to alert your community on social media or directly on your apps page so your users know what to expect. You won't be able to switch the listing back to coming soon once your pre-order is active. And creating a new pre-order will generate a new URL, which can disrupt momentum. Planning ahead makes sure your pre-order flows smoothly into launch. And remember, not every pre-order converts. That's normal. The real value is in the committed users you do attract and how you engage them before release. Pre-orders give you a powerful way to shape your debut. With the right preparation, you can build momentum, market on your terms, and carry energy beyond release day.